Okay guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our keys and our coins. What is up people, and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited keys and coins in my Subway Surfers game, absolutely free, safe and online, without downloading any modded APK or anything you can imagine guys. As I said, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices and it works perfectly for both devices. So guys, before we start with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So let's go to settings and let's search for a battery. There we go. And then we will turn off your battery saver mode if it's on, of course. And let's go to Google or any browser you got guys and navigate to this website. It's called twixen.com. Under online gen tools, go to enter and then we will search for a Subway Surf. There we go. And guys, now we will have to enter our Subway Surfers user ID. So I have copied it guys, so just paste it and it will find your user ID instantly. Just click continue and let's wait a little bit so it searches for our user ID. As you can see, it's really important to be found. So guys, our user ID is connected and it's successfully connected to our account. Now the rest is to select our keys and coins amount and let's click continue. So guys, let's wait a little bit so this third step loads up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe guys, because I will record more tutorials and reviews like this. So yeah, make sure to stay updated with all of this. So guys, what we got now? We got are you a robot check. So guys, we will have a few minutes to complete this robot check and we must do it because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts. So guys, just click continue and it will redirect you to the last step, as you can see. And guys, it's the last step until we get our Subway Surfers keys and coins. So what we'll have to do here, we will simply need to download 2 free games or complete 2 simple questionnaires and follow their instructions on how to complete this task. So guys, what will I do now? I will download this Travel Town. So basically click free, click go, and it will start downloading it from the official publisher. So guys, if you're using your Android phone, it will start downloading it from the Google Play, and if you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading it from the App Store. So guys, I will download this Travel Town and complete level 9, and then I will download Coin Master and I will install it, open and complete Village 3. So guys, that's pretty much what will I do now. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Guys, I have just downloaded and completed instructions for Travel Town and Coin Master and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So I won't skip this video because I want to wait with you guys. Will it actually? Nice guys, we actually got verification successful and thank you for passing the bot check. Keys and coins are on the way guys. I'm so excited. As you can see, our user ID, keys and coins are sent. So last step is to enter to open our Subway Surf and the test will we actually receive our keys and coins. So let's test out it guys. Will we actually receive our coins and keys? So still okay guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our keys and our coins and it works perfectly, as you can see guys. So I will play now and I will make my new record in Subway Surf with all these keys and coins. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and to drop like and comment down below if you need help. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.